Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Learning Reverence. In my previous videos, I have discussed all the examples of chapter 9 of class 9th, that is Force and Laws of Motion. All the examples I have explained line by line from 9.1 to 9.8. मैं description box में उसका link दे दूँगी. Second one is I have discussed all the in-text questions of page number 118 and 126 and all the text questions of part 1 and part 2. As in part 1 there is a questions text exercise questions from 1st to 11, and in second part there is a text questions स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 12 to 18. सो होपफुली आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसकी लिंक देख चुके होंगे. नाउ in this video I will discuss second law of motion, their derivation of second law of motion, how the mathematical proof can be done of second law of motion, as well as the law of conservation of momentum. So let's start. Class 9th, chapter 9, second law of motion. So you all know second law of motion is, second law of motion is the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. So means जो भी change of momentum होगा वो क्या होगा, force के directly proportional होगा. Done. So the change of momentum is, now mathematical proof of this. I am explaining the mathematical proof. The change in momentum. The change in momentum is mass into velocity. So m into velocity में change हुआ v minus u. v is the final velocity here and u is the initial velocity here. So p2 minus p1 you can say means mv minus u. Now the rate of change of momentum. Rate means, what does it mean? Rate means divided by time, right? Means change in momentum per unit time. So m into v minus u upon t. So v minus u upon t is, it is directly proportional, directly proportional is there. So directly proportional equal to m into v minus u upon t is a, right? Because acceleration, formula of acceleration is, as यहाँ लिख देती हूँ मैं, a equal to v minus u upon t. Done. So here, so the rate of change of momentum according to the law of according to the law of second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force. So F is directly proportional to ma. डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल का साइन हमें इक्वल टू में चेंज करना है तो उसके लिए कांस्टेंट होगा. whenever we change the directly proportional sign into the equal sign, then there is a constant kma, right? So if we take k is 1, so F equal to ma, where F is the force, m is the mass and s is the acceleration. The unit of F is, the unit of F is Newton, mass is kg and acceleration is kg meter per second square. So kg meter per second square is also the unit of force, but SI unit of force is Newton because it is derived by the Newton, so that the unit of force is Newton. Now the second term is law of conservation of momentum. So law of conservation of momentum, there are two balls A and B. So the mass of A is ma and mass of B is mb. They are traveling, they are moving in a same direction, but here it has ub velocity, it has UA. So U is initial velocities. So UA is the initial velocity of ball A and UB is the initial velocity of ball B. You can write all the things like MA is equal to mass of A ball, MB equal to mass of B ball, second ball, means UA equal to initial velocity, because initial velocity is denoted by U, of A, UB equal to initial velocity of B. So it is the condition before collision, right? Means ये collide नहीं हुए हैं, collision means टकराना, right? Here UA is greater than UB. For example, UA is equal to UB, तो ये तो चलते रहेंगे, कभी भी collide नहीं होंगे. If UB is greater than UA, तो ये पहले भाग जाएगा, है ना? UA कभी भी उसको approach नहीं कर पाएगा. So UA is greater than UB, right? Now during collision का क्या डायग्राम होगा? Two balls are there, A and B, and they collide. It's like this, right? So it is MA, it is MB, collide हो गए, and after collision this one is A, this one is B. अब इनकी क्या हो गई? velocities change हो गई. ये हो गया VA, ये हो गई VB, right? So during collision क्या हुआ? एक फोर्स एक्सर्ट हुआ A से B पर, जिसको बोलेंगे FAB, बिकॉज A से B पर हुआ है, एंड अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में एक और फोर्स हुआ है, वो है FBA. FAB इज द फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय बॉल A टू द B, एंड FBA इज द फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय B to the A, and they are equal in magnitudes but different in directions according to the third law of motion. Third law of motion, FAB is equal to minus of FBA, right? FAB is MA, then VA minus UA upon T, because फर्स्ट वाली बॉल के लिए है, and minus of MB, that is VB minus UB upon T. T cancel out here. Now MA VA minus UA equal to MB VB minus UB. Here MA VA minus MA UA is equal to MB VB minus MB UB. अब हम UU टर्म्स एक साथ लिख लेंगे और VB एक साथ, राइट? सो MA VA, sorry it is minus sign here because their directions are different, so minus and this is plus. So MA VA plus, because ये माइनस साइन जब लेफ्ट साइड में होगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, because signs are interchanged, minus to plus, plus to minus, and this one is MB UB and this one is plus MA UA. अब इसको हम रीअरेंज कर लेंगे तो MA UA plus MB UB is equal to MA VA equal to MB VB. This is the law of conservation of momentum. Means momentum of initial, momentum of before collision is equal to the momentum of sum of the momentum of before collision of two balls A and B is equal to the sum of the momentum of after collision of ball A and B. Hopefully आपको ये मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन समझ आया होगा. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please share my videos with your friends. As we share, we take a lot of blessings which are very much important for all of you, for all of us. Thank you so much. Please like my video and subscribe my channel, and if there is any query then please comment on this. I will solve it. Thank you.